Okay, now we start the iMovie tutorial for beginner. First, we launch the application. Then we go to create a new movie. We select my movie and we need to import the media, whatever the video clip, image, or the audio you like. We also can choose drag and drop. So I have the 2 video and 1 audio here. Drag and drop here. So you can see the 2 video and 1 audio, 3 file here. So I need to add inside and modify. So here is my video, and we can choose to zoom in or zoom out if you want more frames showing here. Okay, if I want to speed the clip, we can choose right click and speed the clip. Then we can delete certain part we don't like. Okay, or if we want to join 2 different video, we can add another, then it will be joined for 2 video here. Then we can add audio, modify title, we can add any title or the background. Okay, now I choose the add background here. Background will be choose here. We can drag and drop to any way we like. Then I want to add a title here. My video. Okay, we can choose the font type, size, left, right, or center, color, and many type of crop, stabilization, adjust the volume. Okay, they are available of the title here. You can choose background and transition. We can try to choose the circle button. Okay, then you will apply. We can try to run and see the result. So this is your preview of your video. Okay, so we can also adjust time on display the title here. If we want to remove the audio of your video, we can click it on the video clip, right click, detach the audio. Then you will separate out the audio file and the video file. Then we can click on this and delete. Then now this video without any audio, we can try and play. No sound on it. We want to add our own audio, then I can click, drag and drop here. Okay. Then we have a preview again. Now this is the result. Okay. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.